So apparently we ordered something called the Gym Deluxe. This is Gunpla Club after hours. We ordered something called the Gym Deluxe, and all the waiters give us this look like, what? Yeah, like we're crazy. So we're gonna see what it's all about. I ain't scared of shit though.
Say hi to her from me.
Hey, these guys like their cell phones. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and
get a smartphone, man.
Smartphone, yeah, probably sooner or later.
I mean, yeah, expendable.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's just.
Those are the sides.
Those are the sides.
Those are just the sides.
Jesus Christ! Look at all those cool spots.
In fact, if we want to pull these off of this, might help us make.
These are just the sides, right?
Really good. It's a cool flaw.
Man, we should have mac and cheese. We should have got mac and cheese.
That's good for consist.
Oh, are you done with the team? Yeah. Oh.
Hey, can we get mac and cheese? Oh no!
That's good stuff.
That's it. Oh, that's cool. I eat that at home.
You're all tall.
I'm all tired, right? I'm like, ugh. That's it, guys. Just showing up. Alright, thanks.
This looks great.
Yeah, amen.
Look at all this food. Hey, what the?
It was a pickle, chill.
No, man.
Alright, that's it. Time to eat. Hey, we lived. Absolutely destroyed. Mission accomplished. Paul's dead, though. Paul's dead, I suppose. We kept going. Gunpla Club after hours. This is who's left. Yeah, this guy likes. Oh dear. We need ID? You need ID?
노래를 부르고 있을 때 리모컨이 어떻게? 이게 예약을 하셔야 돼요. 예약을 하려면 이게 안 되죠.
네, 뭐 어떻게 안 되세요?
그러니까 친구가
Yeah. 21956.
Oh, you said
Oh, sorry. So far, I've gotten all hundreds.
1966?
56. Yeah. Let me seal the deal. 300s in a row. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Look at how excited they got.
Fuck yeah! 5! Okay.
Wait, did I turn off? Woo! Woo! Yeah. Time for that smooth song. Wait, do I need to get up for this? What you guys know about this? Just want to say happy birthday to my man Chris.
Huh?
Co-founder of Gunpla Club. Am I recording? Oh, I'm recording. What's up, Paul? Hey, Paul, when you gonna sing now? You ain't gonna sing for us, Paul? Nah? Maybe not today? Alright. Get your crayon. Get your crayon. Get your crayon. Oh. second meeting for the Gunpla Club. But check out what I found. That's funny. I'm gonna build this as soon as I finish this guy. I should be able to finish him today. I'm gonna do this guy right away afterwards.